Thursday. The This is a test of the no-weather radio warning alarm device and the emergency alert system. Mild and especially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending severe weather and or hazards in south-central Indiana and north-central Kentucky. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every Tuesday between 6 p.m. and 7 miles local time and every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test is postponed until the next available non-severe or hazard day. This broadcast hour, the National Weather Service Office in Louisville on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting the following counties. In south-central Indiana, Lloyd, Harrison, Jefferson, Scott, and Washington. In north-central Kentucky, Bullitt, Henry, Jefferson, Nelson, Oldham, Shelby, Spencer, Trimble. This concludes the test of the no-weather radio warning alarm and the emergency alert lower third. We now return you to regular programming. Here is specific winter weather information. National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio.
Yup, door is closing now. Yup.
Kentucky Public Warning System. Looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern especially built receivers can be automatically activated.
Normal temperatures before a cold front brings colder conditions this afternoon.
Signal and receivers performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon.
Cold, dry weather will follow from Thursday into the weekend.
This is no weather.
All hazards radio station KBB 48, Wilmington, Kentucky, the voice of the National Weather Service,
any given location,
broadcasting on a frequency of 162.450 megahertz and serving northern Kentucky.
Even though you are using
this broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Office at Wilmington, Ohio.
Activated for hazardous.
Warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Kentucky: Carroll, Franklin, Gallatin, Grant, Harrison, Henry, Pendleton, Owen, Scott, and Shelby. And in Indiana, Switzerland. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KZZ, 48 Wilmington, Kentucky.